So if you never tried any Figure-rise Standard model kits, this would be a good starting point. Figure-rise Standard Ple Two from Gundam Double Zeta. Hello, this is Kawa from Hearns Hobbies. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing for a character figure released from Bandai. Let's get started. So today I'm going to talk about Figure-rise Standard Ple Two from Gundam Double Zeta. And you guys might notice this box looks a bit more slim than the general Figure-rise Standard model kits. So that means it's gonna be a simple build and don't have too much parts in there. So if you never tried any Figure-rise Standard model kits, this would be a good starting point. Let's have a look at the box art. Instead of using some 3D rendered character art, they're using 2D hand-drawn. If you're the fan of Gundam Double Zeta, you're gonna love this box art. And they're giving you the highlights of gimmicks of this kit at the side of the box. And yeah, she's one of my favorite characters from Double Zeta. Let's have a look at the inside of the box. Ta-da! So the first thing we could see is the pre-colored face parts. It's like the default face for Ple Two. So the layers of colors in her eyes looks really well this time, and very nice details on the eyelashes. And moving to the next fruit, we have the transparent yellow used for the sportball helmet for the character. And most of the seems like most of the black parts this time are semi-gloss to recreate the texture of latex, which is her plug suit, and making a very strong comparison with the matte red of the armor. And regarding she has a helmet, so we have two different types of hair parts that you can choose, either wearing the helmet or take it off. And that's the empty face parts. You can do some customizations of facial expressions on there. You can either choose from the official decal sheet, or you can challenge yourself doing some hand drawings. And giving you some close-ups on the amazing details they pre-molded on the parts. Very realistic folds there, and also some hyper details pre-molded on the head accessories. So this time, they're giving you two choosable armor that it is possible to recreate the very significant illustration from the character designer of Gundam Double Zeta. The one up here is the general form, and the one down here, you can see it's like slightly open compared to the original. And yes, that's the unboxing for Figure-rise Standard Ple Two from Bandai. If you like this video, feel free to leave any comments or thoughts in the comment section. I'm Kawa from Hearns. See you next time. Bye bye.